Laid Back's Hondo Miller. I mean, such a cool brand, not only with the apparel, but a lot of wall art back here. What inspired the brand Laid Back?
That's hard to say, but I think the good Lord brought us the whole concept in one night, and we decided to create a brand that really focuses on the culture of America, the old cool stuff from America, and just trying to allow people to bring those memories into their apparel or into their garage art, you know, that kind of a program.
And I love it, and it is so nostalgic for that car culture. And you guys have got shirts, and I mean, it's really cool because it reminds you of that American muscle. And I mean, did you grow up as a car connoisseur, as a car fan, as a builder? What was your upbringing in it?
My dad was president of the van club in the 70s. Kansas City Van Club. So, you know, he was a big custom car guy back in the day, and just, I guess it was in my blood from the early ages.
I like it. So now we're going to kind of shift our attention to this beautiful build over here. Take me through this car, which is actually yours.
Thank you. It's a 1969 Chevy Blazer. Came out of Anaconda, Montana, as just a front yard piece of art that had been sitting there for about 20 years. And we decided to put it on a Speed Tech Performance chassis, which is an autocross-driven chassis. So it's really designed to be driven. Yeah, we made it really pretty, but it's designed to be a performance vehicle.
I like how you call it a piece of art. I mean, is that how you see cars here at the Sema show?
Absolutely, absolutely. They're all a piece of art, you know. And some art's different, you know, and everyone has their own appeal or their own how they interpret art, you know, and we just feel like this is our way of showing kind of what we can do, you know.
So something that kind of immediately draws my attention to this car and this build is the gray exterior and kind of the maroon accents on this car. What do you like about those colors, and why go with that on this one?
You know, I was always a silver guy, and then I bought a car that was this color, and now I've painted 3 cars that color because I just really like it. It's gray, but it isn't dark gray. It's not what you see out there, and so we really just wanted a unique color. And then the guys at Interior Revolution, who are world-class interior guys, they suggested this kind of a dark maroon to go along with that color, and I had to be persuaded, but I'm very thankful that they stepped up.
Now, the one thing that I think really makes this car pop, the one thing that you can hear from all the way down in the South Hall entrance, is the speaker system on this car. And Kicker did you a big favor on this car. It looks beautiful. It sounds beautiful. I mean, tell me about the speaker system, how it really encompasses that Laid Back brand.
Yeah, you know, Kicker's been supporting us for about the last 8 years. And we're just huge fans of them and of audio, and so we just reached out to Roger and kind of told him about the build and what we were wanting to do, and they loaded us up with 8 speakers, 2 subs, and the nice marine deck, the media center, and as you can hear, the quality of what they produce is amazing.
Oh yeah, you can literally hear it down the South Hall as you enter, and it is so cool. I think it's the only booth that might be playing reggae, but I love it, very laid back style. So thank you so much for your time and showing us this awesome car.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
For your time at Sema.